Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare collagen set original versus fake. Let's begin by closely examining the packaging. Genuine collagen products typically boast superior print quality, with crisp images and text. Pay attention to the overall color consistency. Authentic items maintain a uniform look. Also, ensure the box is perfectly sealed, showing no evidence of prior opening or damage. These initial visual cues are crucial for a quick assessment. Moving on to more specific details, scrutinize the batch number and expiration date. On genuine products, these are usually printed directly onto the packaging, not applied as a sticker. Carefully read all text for any spelling or grammatical errors, which are red flags for fakes. Authentic collagen sets will also provide a comprehensive ingredient list and clear manufacturer contact information, demonstrating transparency. Now let's talk about the product itself. When you open an original collagen set, the powder should be fine, uniform, and dissolve smoothly in liquid. It typically has a neutral or very subtle natural scent. In contrast, counterfeit versions might feel gritty, clumped together, or emit a strong, artificial, or unpleasant odor. These physical characteristics are strong indicators of authenticity and product quality. Finally, consider performance and value. An original collagen set will show tangible benefits for your skin, hair, and nails with consistent use. While price isn't the only factor, be cautious of deals that appear significantly cheaper than the market average, as this often indicates a fake. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, remember to check the description below this video. Your health and investment deserve genuine quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.